Hello everyone, this is Dr. Isaac Bose from Syndicate of Homeopaths. So I've come up with this video to give a wonderful review which is really required after reading this book. This book called Art of Repetition by my mentor Dr. Gaurang Gaikwad, and a wonderful book, I tell you, really a wonderful book. Actually, I'm happy to be the first one of the first one among all the others to get hold of this book. So I booked it at the earliest, and I've been waiting for this book right when I joined the Other Song Academy and met Dr. Gaurang Gaikwad. Just waiting and waiting when this book of repertories explained is going to be released, and finally it's here. So, and I made sure that I couldn't get the first copy, but then I was among the first few persons to get the copies, and I got a autograph as well. And that's cool. So about this book, and we have almost 8 to 9 repertories explained in this book. 8 to 9 repertories, right from Kent, Fartak, Boger, Borick, Ned, Robert Clark, and everything, all about repertory. Each and every detail about repertory is given in this book. And the one exclusive feature of this book, which I really loved it, is these case exercises from different practitioners, which have been compiled together and given. There are case exercises for us to do, and the best part of this is like you read the book right from the starting, and you understand this book completely, and then you start working out with the cases, and you also have a case analysis where you have the answers already written over there. So when you work out these cases and when you're getting the right remedy, in fact you have understood what have been explained in the above chapters. That means you have understood all the repertories that have been explained, and that is really interesting in this book. And because most of us, maybe the students or maybe the first like when they have just set up a clinic, so they find it really difficult to apply these they can't do it without the cases, right? So we have cases in this, they have given cases in this book for us to work out, and we can work out as well and find out how deeply we have understood about all the repertoire. And you also have another cool feature of map of repertories. I mean, how cool is that to get a map of repertories right on your clinic table? So the map of repertories includes all the important points about choosing a repertory. So when you're stuck, like even while during a case taking also, when you're stuck like what to do and which repertory to choose, you just flip some pages and you find all the important points about the repertories, all the important point about each and every repertory, explaining like what each repertory contains in depth, so that you can choose your repertory as well. So if you're starting with a case, and if the case is not having a lot of mental symptoms, you know which repertory to choose looking at the map of repertories. So this is like, how cool is that to get that? That's really wonderful. And also another thing that really excited me in this book is there are different cases solved using repertories, and one breakthrough case that I really loved. There are many cases so exciting, but then there's one case that I really loved. There's a case of recurrent bronchitis of an old man with inguinal hernia, painful hernia happening, and the remedy is astonishingly, surprisingly, it's calendula, and no one expect maybe I don't expect, because I didn't know about that part of calendula, that you can give it in cases of recurrent bronchitis with hernia, with painful hernia, and that was something new to me. And there are many more things which were really new to me when after reading this book. So such a wonderful book, and anyone who is looking Anyone who's haven't fallen in love with repertories, please get hold of this book, and you'll understand and you'll start loving repertory, that you'll start using it in your daily practice. And so get hold of this book as soon as possible. I'll be also uploading the details of getting hold of this book, the contact details. So get hold of this book as soon as possible. And thank you.